The 90s were the golden era and, at the same time, the most radical period of skateboarding transformation. This is the time when the skate moved from huge vertical ramps to the streets, and the equipment turned from wide fish into our usual ice cream sticks, changing the focus to the street. At the beginning of the decade, the popularity of ramps fell, and the focus shifted to street skating. Skaters began to use the urban environment, benches, railings, and stairs. The launch of the X Games, ESPN hosted the first extreme games in Rhode Island. This event brought skateboarding to TV screens and helped it become a professional sport. Tony Hawk's record. At X Games V, Tony Hawk landed a 900-degree jump for the first time in history. Tony Hawk's Pro Skater. The release of the first part of the video game made skateboarding popular, introducing millions of people to the culture. Shape. In 1991, double kickboards began to appear, where the nose and tail became almost identical. Narrow decks. The width of the boards dropped to 7.3 to 7.5 inch. This made the skate light, but extremely unstable. Slicks. A popular technology of the time was a plastic layer at the bottom of the soundboard for better sliding along the edges. Wheels bearings. The wheels have shrunk to an absurd 38 to 42 millimeters. They were so small that the nuts on the axles stuck out and rubbed off on the asphalt. These wheels were called bearing covers. Style and culture. A recognizable style of the 90s appeared. Wide trousers, oversized t-shirts, and massive sneakers with thick padding to protect the feet. Technicality. Thanks to Rodney Mullen and other innovators, skaters began combining flips, grinds, and manuals into complex technical bundles.